But at the time, Mudaligami thinks that who will say, come on Mudaligami, like that. I remember my friends cheering me at the house meet. At the time, Mudaligami thinks that at his school house meet, his friends were cheering at him while he was participating in those event. It gave me a lot of courage that day. So he could remember that day. It gave him a lot of courage that day. Ready, steady, go. You know that for starting point, we must familiar with this kind of command words: ready, steady, and go. A boy wearing spikes is running fast just next to me. You know that Mudaligami is running fast, but next to him, just next to him mean very close to him. A boy wearing spikes is running fast. Mudaligami thinks, I must run faster than him. That is his ambition. Will he step on my foot? At the time also he thinks that whether the boy who is running fast next to him may step on his foot. Never mind. Mudaligami thinks himself, never mind, let him. It means we can even if he step on my foot also, Mudaligami will never mind it. I will still run faster. So Mudaligami still runs faster. Now it's close to the end. So they came to the end. I think I have won. So Mudaligami won the race. Here is another results under 13, 100 meters, first place, Kalubandej Mudaligami. So with his father's name, Kalubandej Mudaligami, they announce the winner. I heard the loudspeaker announcing my name. So it is a bit strange that listening loudspeakers in a village school. This is first time he came to city school, and Mudaligami heard the loudspeaker announcing his name. It was like a dream come true. So at the time he felt that his dream came true. Everyone was cheering. Everyone was clapping. I couldn't hear what the loudspeaker announced because of cheering. Due to this students cheering, Mudaligami couldn't understand clearly what the loudspeaker announced. The boy who was wearing the spiked shoes was on my right. You know that in the winning stand, who can stand the right hand side and the left hand side. It is a common things that you can understand from your annual sports meet in each school. He had won the second place. So the boy who stands right hand side had won the second place. So Mudaligami got the first place, and the student or the boy who was wearing a spike shoe was on his right. Congratulations, Mudaligami. He himself congratulate him. You were great. So this is the way to appreciate people. He said, shaking my hand. Students, these days you cannot shaking others' hand because of social distance. During this COVID-19, you cannot shake hand, but it is common things. When we appreciate people, we congratulate them and shake their hands. The boy who came in third also joined him. So not only the boy from the right hand side, the boy from the left hand side also joined with him. I think I was mistaken. Students, you could remember that earlier Mudaligami thought that city boys are a bit arrogant. You know that without our knowledge, sometime we try to make the judgment via other people. We heard some news and we give the judgment. So it may be a wrong thing to think so. So it happened to Mudaligami too. Earlier he thought that city boys were bit arrogant. Oh, city boys are a bit arrogant. But now the situation is different because of they once Mudaligami won the race, they don't feel sad. They appreciate Mudaligami. That's it. That is the good things. So the boy from the right hand side and the boy from the left hand side also congratulate him and give appreciation to him. At the time also Mudaligami felt shy because he was wrong. It means he was mistaken earlier. After all, city boys are good. So it means when we have the things via our experience only, we can come to the judgment that whether the people are good or bad. By hearing via the third parties, we cannot give the judgment, good people, bad people. Only we can judge the people ourselves. So it happened to Mudaligami also. Earlier Mudaligami thought that the city boys were arrogant, but the real thing is different. Because of it means Mudaligami thought that the city boys are proud, but now the situation changed him. His idea also changed because of really, after all, city boys are good. I knew you would win, Mudaligami. Good boy. The sports teacher said as he gently stroked my head. So the thing is here. I knew you would win, Mudaligami. Good boy. The sports teacher said. So at the time, his sports teacher also joined with the city boys and congratulate and appreciate Mudaligami by stroking his head and tears of joy welled up in his eyes. At the time, Mudaligami also had tears of joy welled up in his eyes. So teacher appreciate Mudaligami for winning the first place, joining with city boys. So this is a adapted story of grade 7 Sinhala textbook, and it was translated 100 meters. So from this lesson, we had a good lesson that today the experience in a village school as well as the city school. Whether we study at village school or the city school, the student must have the good attitude and good behavior and good character. So among the students, we don't have any other discrimination. So it is clear that whether we are from the village or the city, as a studentship, we all have the equal rights and equal power, equal talent. So once we decide to compete the things, we can win. It will not be decided by the village or city differences. So children, you could understand what is this lesson mean, 100 meters, and now we are going to move into the comprehension question which is given under this lesson.